Judges, are you ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Micah Wingell! Up now is Mathieu Giroux. For Sports 1A, before we announce our freestyle results, I just wanted to pass the mic off to some of our judges and hear what they had to say about your freestyle, starting with Andre.
It was definitely a great day to see all the younger guys get up on stage for the first time. We saw a lot of new faces, and I think that's the best part. And, you know, every time you get on stage, you get better. And I see that with the people that have also been coming back too. So keep up the good work, everybody. It was awesome.
What I have to say is everyone did really good today. So that's Street Sports 1A. When I watch freestyles and stuff, sometimes I get shows while watching a routine because it's just so breathtaking and stuff. And more so than ever today, watching Sports 1A, back to back, just like shows down my timeline. Very, very good to watch. And I think a lot of these kids have a really great future.
Yeah, for sure. Just to kind of echo what you were saying, you know, this was a really fun day. There's a lot of hard work that took place before anyone even stepped into this room. Everybody worked their butt off, and I'm really proud today. And I'm fortunate that I get to see most of these guys pretty frequently throughout the year, and just to see them kind of progress and working on new things, and you know, knowing what they're doing, and then trying on stage and seeing it work. And it's just really cool. I'm happy for everybody that got up here. I'm really glad that everybody came out, and I thought we had a great contest today.
Without further ado, our Sport 1A results. For the 14 and under category, in third place, Gabriel Carter Weinfeld. In second place, Micah Wingell. And in first place, your New Hampshire Yo-Yo Championship Sports 1A 14 and under winner, Riley C. L. Congratulations to our competitors in 14 and under category for Sports 1A. Winning competitors, make sure you stand near the X. Congratulations, guys. Okay, up next, we have the